Hey, I'm Derek.
And I'm Tanya.
We're Life Voyages. 6 months ago, we started this channel with the sole purpose of showing those with disabilities you can still go out and do it.
We set some goals for ourselves, so stick around and see if we met them.
And see who gets the trophy for top fan, top fan, top. Everybody wants one. Everybody wants one.
Who wins this?
We'll be right back.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Hey, earlier this year, we bought a cargo van, right? Cargo van? We bought a cargo van.
Yes, a Promaster, Ram Promaster to be specific.
And we had it converted to a wheelchair accessible camper van.
Well, that took forever.
A lot longer than we really thought it would ever take. Rona did not help, not one damn bit.
But nevertheless, we are so shocked at the response from you guys. It's been amazing.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we definitely met goals we made.
Some we didn't. We're still working on them.
Yeah, there's a few that we need your help with.
Please push us over 350 by the end of the year. We're looking for subscribers.
We have 340 currently. We need 10 more to make our 350 goal for this year by the end of 2020.
And in the character of Rob Schneider from The Waterboy, you can do it.
So share us out on your social media. If you can't, pick your favorite video. Share it. We would appreciate that.
Share it, recommend it.
Tell people about us.
Get silly Aunt Nellie to subscribe.
Yes.
Whatever you got.
Make another account. Just kidding. Whatever it takes. No, I'm just kidding. No.
Good techniques.
Anyway, thank you guys.
Here's a special thank you to top supporter for 2020.
This is our top channel supporter. We want to give a special recognition and prize too.
Based on, right?
Based on views, obviously.
Views, comments, what were the other
Shout outs.
And shares.
Shout outs, shares, participation in live streams.
Yay, baby.
So there's a person that did all those things.
The mostest.
The mostest.
The mostest. She was the hostess with the mostest.
And we have a lot of other supporters that also deserve recognition, but we're doing the top one for the year. And drum roll, please. Who is the winner? Who is the winner of the 2020?
Based upon the numbers we've gotten today from Nielsen ratings. Box Van D.
Box Van D. Yay, you're our number one supporter. And based on that, you get a wheel spin.
Hold up. You know you want to hear this.
Ready?
Hold up. Hold up, y'all.
Anybody that watches our live streams knows what this means.
Here's the deal. To face the wheel.
Box
Dun,
Van
dun,
D,
dun.
you are facing the prize wheel. This old-fashioned, old-school prize wheel. That makes the cool sound that Derek loves so much.
I like it. I like it a lot, Mary.
So he's gonna do his 1, 2, 3 thing, and you're gonna win a prize. And there's some new prizes on the wheel.
Tell me about them, Vanna.
There is even a Harvest Host membership on here. That's the grand prize.
Harvest Host
membership. But if you can't use that, then you can get a $50 Amazon e-card.
$50.
Yeah, that's a grand prize. But we have other stuff. There's our famous soap and lotion bars on here that we hand make. There is a awesome stocking, which is a pair of Life Voyages socks filled with candy. There's a mug with coffee or cocoa, your choice, and a collapsible tea kettle that I love in my van.
And right here is my favorite. Right here is my favorite.
Travel mug
Dewar's
filled with
patriotic travel mug
taffy.
filled with Dewar's world famous taffy
From
made right
Bakersfield.
here in Bakersfield, California.
Now that's a good prize. It's a really good prize.
Better step back.
And a couple of gift cards, one from Amazon and one from Starbucks.
Better step back.
So let's do the spin.
3 spins. 1, 2, 3.
And that's your prize, Box Van D.
1, 2, 3.
Let's see what you win.
Shabam!
Oh, and you got an Amazon e-card for $15. Yay!
And the crowd goes wild.
You actually deserve way more than that for all of your help and support you've given us this year.
We'll see you at courtside.
You have given us not only friendship, a lot of friendship. You've recommended us. You've given us shout outs on your channel. You've supported us, given us direction on our channel and advice. I mean, so much that we can never repay you for. But we just wanted to make sure that you got the recognition you deserve for helping us grow. We love you, Box Van D. And you're the Gold Cup 2020 winner for Life Voyages.
The champions.
And Derek is singing you his famous song.
We are the champions
You are the champion.
of the world.
And if you don't know who Box Van D is and you're watching our channel, you need to head
You better
over there, subscribe, and watch her content because she is amazing and inspiring and inspired us to get out there and do this. Because if she can do it, we can do it.
Maybe.
We weren't going to do it.
We're a couple train wrecks.
We are a couple train wrecks doing van life with the wheelchair and 2 dogs.
1 big dog, 1 little dog.
And the 2 of us.
And 2 train wrecks. It's like a country western song.
Okay, 2020 was a challenging, but the last 6 months we have made so many friendships with you guys and watched your guys' content. You entertained us. You got us through a pandemic, for God's sake, really.
That's a true story.
It is a true story. In the live streams, I'm participating in our live streams. We participate in your live streams.
We cannot thank you enough.
We cannot thank you enough. The other content creators we've made huge friendships with, non-content creators, people that just watch our videos have become friends. We feel like you guys are friends and family. It's been an amazing 6 months.
And some of y'all not right. Some of y'all ain't right.
Well, this one ain't right. We know that.
That's why we get along.
But we just want to thank you guys, and we are making some even bigger goals for this next year that we hope to crush.
Yeah, here's the 2021.
May it be a much better year.
Yeah, may it be a more successful, prosperous new year.
For everyone.
For everyone. And may all of your feathers tickle your hindquarters.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year, everybody.
Peace, love, and prosperous, baby. From Van Life Voyages.
And remember, when life throws you a curve,
just roll with it.
You just roll with it.
Hey, this is Derek.
And Tanya.
We're Van Life Voyages. We started, hi Gunner, how are you?
Every time. He just walks right through.
FML.
Okay.
You gonna sit down? Thanks. This is just a sound check. This is just a sound check.
Sound check, sound check.
Back up. I think that turned out all right.
Yeah,
I don't know.
let's see. The last one.
I'm no Francis Ford Coppola.
Francis Ford Coppola. I don't even.
We are the champions of the world.
No, it
is a
isn't.
little bit.
That is not funny. Stop.
Look, I'm blowing my bowl.
Oh my God, stop.
You know,
Quit playing with your balls and let's go.
Merry Christmas.